Alright, so I'm about to unbox my gas tank from Royal Choppers on eBay. I opened it. I have not opened the packaging yet though. See what the end result is of the purchase. I've mixed reviews online, but they're very hard to find, so OEM ones in good shape are very hard to find, so we'll take our chances. See what we got. Fairly decent bubble wrap job. The box kind of sucked, but just a box. This was actually their second attempt. The first one that they had made me, they sent me a picture for approval and it was the wrong color. So let's see what we got here. Okay, well, fairly decent. Now what I did see in the pictures for approval this time were the bungs. And while the chrome plating on them looks terrible, I think I can work with it. It's better than nothing. The one I have now has holes here and here, and it would cost me 5 times the amount to fix that one as it was to buy and take my chances on this. So paint's not bad. Not the exact color scheme that was on the bike originally, but it's pretty good, so we'll take it. Inside doesn't look terrible. A little rusty, but yeah, I think it'll work.